Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. HBO Max, how to download. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download in HBO Max. So in HBO Max, if you're using your PC and you're streaming it on your browser right here, unfortunately, you cannot download a movie or a series. As you can see right here, when you click the movie right here, there won't be an available option to download the movie or series that you've chosen. But you can just put in on my list right here. So when you go online, so that's a small tip for you guys. You can add it to your list. So when you go online or maybe offline, you would know or you would easily find your movie that you want to watch. There you go. So as you can see there, there's no what to call this right way to download movies in HBO Max in your browser. But there's another way on your phone. So in your phone, just open up your phone. So once your phone's open up, then go to your HBO Max. And once you're here at your HBO Max, as you can see, just choose a movie. Then you will see on the right side of the movie a download icon. After you click the download icon, it will download and it will show a check mark if the download is done. Then after that, you can find it at your account. Just go to the bottom right corner, you will see profile picture. Then once you click on that, you will see downloads. Just click on downloads. After click on downloads, all the movies that you have downloaded will be there in your downloads area and you can watch movies. So a quick tip for you guys: when downloading a movie or a series, sometimes you may experience it will not continue or it may lag because number one, it may be because of your internet, and number two, it may be because of your storage. It may not be there might be not enough room for the movie or series in your storage. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.